Hello everyone, welcome back to Key Comics Market Watch. Today I'm actually at my storage unit. Had to come up here and grab a couple of things. As you can see, comics everywhere. I got a pile of clothes over there. But today I went to Walmart before I came to my storage unit and wound up spending $71. Can you believe that, guys? $71. Man, crazy. Alright, if y'all can see it. But anyways, wound up picking up a whole bunch of these Walmart Marvel exclusives. You got the Avengers Black Widow variant. Picked up two of those. Picked up the Spider-Man Noir variant. Picked up the Bounty Hunters variant. Now this one has a different color on, instead of it being white, I think it's gold. Road to Empire. This one is a different color right here. That's how you can tell it's the variant. And it'll say variant on the back. Outlaw #1 variant edition. And I picked up Spider-Woman #1 variant, which this color is different also. So that's how you can tell the difference. I picked up two of those. And guess what I'm about to do, you guys? I'm about to open them for you guys. Let's see what's in the middle. Alright. So I've opened the first one on the top. So I'm going to slide the book through. So let's see this one first. Let's see. So it's got the variant right there. You see it? So that's how you can tell this is the variant. This is not the regular cover A. Well, it is the regular cover A, but it's the variant. Because, like I said, it's different on the top. All right, what else we got? We got Agents of Wakanda. Is this a second printing? Nope, this is a first printing. Okay, Agents of Wakanda. Alrighty. Nice cover. I don't have this book. And we got War of the Realms Omega #1 second printing. Okay. Oh man, let me see. Let me take it out. I haven't seen this before. I name you Valkyrie. Okay. So is this the issue? Haven't you heard? I'm a hero now for Midgard. Okay. I'm going to hunt the monster responsible for this misery. Okay. I name you. Is this the issue where Jane Foster becomes Valkyrie? I guess. I don't know. I haven't read this, but the second printing. So that's what was in that one. Alrighty. Let's move that over here. Alright, I'm trying to see. Does it look like it's the same thing in this one? See the side of the covers. Might be the exact same books in here. Trying to see. But sometimes they be mixing them up, but it might be the same book. I think I might not open this one. Because it does look like from the side, it look like the exact same books. Let me see something. Actually, it doesn't look like the same books. Alright, so I'm going to have to open this one then. So I opened this one, so we got the same one on top. Ah, it is something different. Okay. Let's see. What's this? Jane Foster Valkyrie versus Bullseye. Second printing. Alrighty. I'm glad I did open it. And then we got Guardians of the Galaxy #8. Second printing. Right. Alright. Alright, don't have that issue either. So, even though the front one might be the same cover, doesn't mean that it has the same thing inside. Alright, so I'm about to open Outlawed. All right, man. Let's get this out. So we got Outlawed #1, the variant edition. All right. All right. Next we got Scarlet Witch #7. Nice. First first print. Okay. Nice. Don't have that. Trying to remember who did that cover. Gotta find out real quick who did that cover. Annie Wu? Is that who it is? Cover no, David Aya. Okay. Alright, interesting. And then we got Spider-Man Philosophy #1. What's this? The second printing. Alright. Alright, I don't have that. Nice second printings, I will say that. Alright. Now we got Road to Empire. About to open that. Alright, finally got this one open. Alright, so let's see. Road to Empire #1. First printing. Alright. Let me see. Does it say anything on the inside? Nope, it's just a regular #1. Alright, where we got the Fearless #2. Alright, this is like a first printing. Alrighty. Alright, I don't have that. Oh man, Doctor Strange 383. Second printing. The World Tree by Donny Cates. And you know what? This cover right here actually is a throwback to a book that I read as a little kid that I got as a gift, where you had this little boy with the tree, and he basically got everything from the tree, was giving him everything. Whenever he needed something, he'll take it off the tree, and the tree just gave him whatever he wanted because he loved him, the little boy, so much. You got to read the book though. It's like a little book. It's cute, but that's a homage to it. Definitely, I could tell. Yep. Alrighty. Alright, time to open Bounty Hunters. Alright, so I open Bounty Hunters, but before we continue, I need you guys to make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. You hit the bell so you're notified every time I do a video. And you make sure that you don't skip the skippable ads. And if you're new to my channel, I ask you not to skip the skippable ads, because when you skip them, I don't get the ad revenue. And since I'm a small channel, all the ad revenue counts. So please don't skip the skippable ads. And we back to the show. All right, so Bounty Hunters #1, gold is the variant, as you can see, because it has the gold instead of the, I think it was red right there. Let me see if it says anything on the inside. No, it don't. But it's definitely a variant. So, and there's a key book. It's a first appearance in here. So I definitely would tell you, make sure you get that book. All right, we got Guardians of the Galaxy Annual #1 with my man Galactus. Oh man, there go the Celestials, Stranger, Ego the Living Planet, and Eternity. Who's that? Nova and Star-Lord. Okay. And this is the second printing. Alrighty. Don't have this book. Alrighty. And then we got, Gwenpool Strikes Back #2. And this one is a first edition. Okay. It's just a regular cover. Don't have this one either. Alright. So far, haven't had no duplicates so far, which is good. I hate when I get duplicates of something. Alright, you guys. So on to Spider-Man Noir. Alrighty. So got that open. Alright. So Spider-Man Noir. The Walmart exclusive. Says variant in the back. Alrighty. Wonder what it says on the inside. Let's see. Just, nope, it doesn't say variant on the inside, but we know it's a variant. Alright, you guys, the next book is Immortal Hulk, number 16, third printing. Alrighty. Never had a chance to pick this up when it came out. I remember seeing it and I never picked it up. So I don't know if there's any importance to it. And then we got Spider-Gwen number 28. It's like a first printing. It is. Now the weird thing about it is, why does it have a subscription crease down the middle? Oh my God. Like, why does it have that? It has a crease right down the middle like it was mailed to someone. That's crazy. Oh, man, that sucks. Alrighty. Alrighty, you guys. Oh, by the way, I'm thinking about auctioning this off at the next auction, maybe. White pages. What you guys think? Should I bring it to the next auction? Or should I hold on to it? I think I'm going to hold on to it. But then again, I don't know. I think this book is going to go up more, so I might just keep it. I don't know. But just one of the books I decided to pull out because I'm thinking about maybe auctioning it off. Let me know in the comments if you think I should bring it to the auction. All right, so on with the Avengers Black Widow. And that cover is sick. I like that cover. Alrighty, guys. So, all right, so we got the variant edition. Great book. Has variant on the back. Awesome, awesome. Let's see what's the next one. Ah, the little. So this is Guardians of the Galaxy 146 variant. The thingy thing. Yeah. All right. Then don't have this. The little. Yeah. Nice, nice. And we got Contingents number 1. And this is the first printing. It's not a second. So, nice. I don't have this book. Don't know if it's any good. Alright, so far hasn't been no home runs as far as a special hard to find book. So, hopefully some's in here, but I'm pretty happy so far, I will say that, because every book I don't have and none of them are doubles. So let's open this one. Alright, open that one. Same book. Looks great. Alright, oh, another one of these. Alright, so this is Astonishing X-Men. The number 7 variant edition. Alright, cool. Oh, okay. And I don't have this book, so proud to have it. Okay, so The Amazing Mary Jane number 1. First edition. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright, you guys. So that was everything. As you can see, they're all no duplicates in this one. No home runs, though. I was hoping something was in there that just, yeah. I was really hoping there might have been like, to be honest with you, I was hoping there was at least a Silver Surfer Black, like second or third print. If you know what I'm talking about, you guys. I was hoping some of those in there, or maybe some Venoms, second and third printings of Venom, or just something that just be like, oh my God, I can't believe that's in there. So, but no, nothing in there. But yeah, you guys. So don't have my thing to hold my phone today, so that's why I'm holding it in my hand, and I don't know if you guys could see that, you know, the difference in me having to hold it. But thank you everyone for joining me for this Walmart exclusive opening. But I'm definitely happy because all these books, I don't have none of them out. And I have to say, I'm really glad I picked up 2 copies of this book right here because I'm really digging this variant cover. And I think that variant cover alone is like a $15 to $20 book, definitely. Um, definitely. So, yeah, you guys, we'll be not doing an auction this week. It will be next week, next Friday. I mean, next Saturday. But thank you everyone for joining me. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Remember, if you're having a bad day, go read you some comics. Enjoy the art and the stories. And just let yourself get away for a little while. And yeah, you guys, enjoy your books. Read them, Don't worry about any of the problems in your life. Just get into the comic book world so you could not think about stuff. And you'll feel a whole lot better afterwards. Trust and believe. So enjoy them comics. The comic book predator is out. Peace.